Hello guys, so today I'm making Ambunu oil. So this is my Ambunu leaves and this is the mortar that I'm going to be using to crush them. And this is the pestle, of course. So I'm taking a spoon of my dried Ambunu leaves and putting them onto my mortar. And I'm just going to be crushing into a fine powder, right? Just like this. This is not working. I put too much ambunu on the small mortar, so let me just half it, just like that. So there you have it. This is how I want it, right? So I'm just going to put the crushed or ground ambunu leaves into my olive oil. That's the curry oil that I'm going to be using. You can use any oil of your choice, but I happen to have olive oil on hand. And this is my extra virgin olive oil. I already had some in the container, but I'm just going to add just a bit more. All right, so the concept is just to infuse the oil with the ambunu powder over a period of a few weeks. Voila. So I'm just going to add, since I had removed, I'm just going to add some more and repeat and crush and repeat process. And whilst I do this, let me just go over the ways that you can use ambunu for your hair mainly, because you can also use it for your skin, like this ambunu oil. You can also use it for your skin. That's if, of course, the olive oil doesn't cause you to break out. Yeah, but I'm not going to get into the skin uses right now. So you can use it on your hair as a hot oil treatment. You warm it up a little bit and then put it all over your hair and your scalp, and then you cover with a shower cap or a warm towel and leave it for 30 minutes, and then you can wash it off, and that's it. Or you can use it as a conditioner. You just apply the oil onto your hair and your scalp completely. You can sleep with it overnight, or you can remove it after 30 minutes as well. Yeah. I've also tried leaving it in, just leaving it in, just applying it as oil and leaving it in, but I don't do that often, right? I've never seen it recommended anyway, and I'm scared. No, but ambunu is harmless. It doesn't do any harm. But yeah, you can also try to leave it, just apply the oil and leave it, and tell me how that goes. I would love to know. Yeah, so that process is done. I'm just going to mix my oil and my ambunu. So it has changed the color of the oil from a light green to was it light green, light yellowish green, to a darker color. So after this, the process is done. You just have to close the container and leave it for a few weeks. Just leave it in a sunny place for a few weeks, and make sure that your container is airtight. So you leave it for a few weeks. So mine, I chose 3 weeks. So once the 3 weeks are done, this is the process that you'd have to do. You have to strain out the ambunu powder, leaves, residue, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, you just strain out the ambunu with a cloth or a mesh strainer, and you're good to go. Your oil is ready for use, and you can store it in a cool, dry place for longer shelf life, right? And before using, please do a patch test on your skin to see if there are no adverse reactions, right? To see if you're not allergic or hypersensitive to ambunu. So that's done. This is my ambunu oil. I advise to strain it with a cloth because I still see some fine powdery ambunu in my oil. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.